How to see and delete incognito browser history on Android phone. In this video, I'll show you methods that can help you check active incognito activity and clear related browsing data in Android phone. First, open Google Chrome and tap the tab switcher icon. Next, switch to the Incognito section, marked with the hat and glasses icon. If you've enabled incognito lock or identity confirmation, unlock it using your fingerprint, PIN, or face unlock. If any incognito tabs are still open, you'll be able to see them here. Keep in mind that Chrome does not save incognito browsing history after the tabs are closed, so once they're gone, they won't appear in your regular history. To remove your current incognito session, simply close all the open incognito tabs. That's how to see and delete incognito browser history on Android phone. If this tutorial helped you, be sure to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy step-by-step tech tutorials.